Is it odd that a cocktail made with Frangelico, an Italian liqueur, is called a Nutty Irishman? Yeah, probably. However, it's nutty because of the Frangelico, a hazelnut liqueur, and it's Irish because of Bailey's Irish Cream, which includes Irish whiskey. Now, is that enough to justify the name? I think so. And it's fun. And honestly, Irish people, at least the ones I know, are very fun. Today we're making one just in time for St Patrick's Day. In Ireland, St Patrick's Day is celebrated as a public holiday on the 17th of March each year. And yes, St Patrick was a real person. He came to Ireland in the 5th century, and March 17 is believed to be the date of his death, which is why we celebrate then. What started as a religious feast day is now parades, green outfits, lots of drinks, and green milk in the office if your boss is anything like mine. Yes, that really did happen. There are loads of variations of this drink, but it's believed to have started with just 2 ingredients, Bailey's and Frangelico. But today we're making my favourite version. We're adding Kahlúa for a gentle coffee note and cream to smooth everything out. So for today's cocktail, you'll need Bailey's, of course, Frangelico, and if you can't find this where you are, amaretto is a good substitute. It adds almond rather than hazelnut, so still preserves the nutty. Kahlúa and cream. Now let's get into it. Ice into the shaker. So we need 30 ml or 1 ounce of Bailey's Irish Cream. And Frangelico. 30 ml or 1 ounce of Frangelico. $30 ml or 1 ounce of Kahlúa. $30 ml or 1 ounce of cream. Okay, let's give this a shake. It's nice and cold. So we're going to double strain because we don't want any of the ice chips in this drink. We want it nice and smooth. I'm not going to garnish this because I think it just looks very clean and smooth the way it is. It's just a beautiful colour, very inviting. It looks like a nice creamy coffee. You can make this cocktail any size you want by increasing the measure, as long as you increase all of the 4 ingredients equally. So if you want to make it 60 ml or 2 ounces or 45 ml, 1.5 ounces, just make sure you do it equally for each. Look how smooth that is. There's no ice chips at all because we did the double strain, and it just looks too pretty to drink. It's creamy straight away. Oh, then you get a hit of hazelnut and coffee all at once. And you can feel that Irish whiskey coming through in the Baileys. If you love themed cocktails for beginners, you're in the right place. And if you're planning on celebrating St Patrick's Day, this is an easy one to make at home. So that's a Nutty Irishman, a little nutty, definitely Irish, and very, very easy to drink. Top of the morning to you, and I'll see you next time for another cocktail.